Hey, what's up, guys? This is Dwight here at Retro Crypto YouTube channel. Got an awesome video for you today. It is December 5th at 6:58 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and my God, do we have a lot to talk about. But before we get started, I need each and every one of you to do me a favor. Stop and hit that like button. Please smash the hell that like button, guys. Help a brother out. I need as many likes as I can get. The more likes I get, the more traffic that the YouTube search engine will send me. All I can do is ask. Also, guys, while you're at it, please subscribe. And while you're subscribing, hit that little bell, and you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. All right, guys, let's see. What do I want to talk to you about today? I want to talk to you about a poll I did that wrapped up recently. Definitely want to look at XEN Crypto. I want to talk about HEX, do some serious technical analysis. Oh my word! Into HEX, into HDRN. I want to take a look at Bitcoin, a very deep technical analysis of Bitcoin, because I really think the bottom of the market might be in. I have a strong suspicion it is. I am definitely going to start dollar cost averaging. Let's see. I want to talk about MATIC briefly. Metal Pay. You guys know I'm really big on this new project, Proton. The more I look into it, the more I like it. And I think the best way to do it is by baby steps, just to introduce you guys to it. And I'm going to be doing a little collab in a few days with a friend of mine, nephew actually, a family member, and he knows a ton about Proton. All right, guys, but that's what we're going to do today, all right? But before we get started, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just an ordinary guy out there with a passion for cryptocurrency. It's essential that you do your own research before making any and all financial decisions. All right, guys, here we go. All right, first things first right here. This is that poll I did about a week ago. It wrapped up. Looks like XRP came in dead last. And then HEX was actually beaten by XEN. Awesome. XEN beat HEX by, what, 0.8%. Still counts, Hexicans. Y'all should have got out there. All right. Let's see. And of course, Cardano won at 44%. That was out of a total of how many votes? 7,181 votes. That's pretty damn impressive. This was a very fun poll for my channel. Now I have another poll going, guys. I don't know if you're subscribed to my Twitter. If you haven't, please do. Down in the description, there's the links. Please subscribe to my Twitter. If you're in crypto, you're not in Twitter, you're doing it wrong. That's all I'm going to say, guys. But right now I just started this one earlier today, and is basically how many XEN Crypto claims have you missed so far? This poll should be pretty interesting. So basically, have you not missed any? Missed 1 to 3, 4 to 10, 11 or more. Right now, we're up to 41 votes, trying to get this pumped up. So please, guys, if you're watching this video, go to my Twitter, vote, and retweet it. I need this to get retweeted, guys. Let's grow this baby. Let's see, because I'm really interested. 48% is not bad. All right. If you hear coughing behind me, yes, I got my flu shot, but certain family members of mine do not believe in getting a flu shot, and there's more than one that now has the flu. So I might have to pause and go take care of them, but I'm not enjoying it, but get the flu shot. All right. All right. Let's keep this going here. All right. First things first, guys. We're going to look at XEN Crypto. Now, as we all know, Jack Levin said that this should basically zero out before it does anything else, okay? And that's exactly what we see happening here. But the important part is where you see this little yellow line, that bottom, it did break through the bottom, but it bounced right back over top of it. So far as I'm concerned, the bottom held, and I think that's absolutely fantastic. Let me get a quick drink. You would never understand how thirsty you get doing this until you do it. I have no idea. Maybe it's a public speaking thing or something. I don't know. But anyway, all right. So then bottom held out, and we're just sitting there steadily. We popped back over it, so that's really good news. With the Cypher A chart, remember, you get this free version on TradingView. Should I do a video on how to get this all set up and with TradingView? Let me know. Leave it in the comments if any of you guys want a video just on TradingView, basically. Let's see here. We have a bearish continuation, and yeah, we're just kind of sitting right there on that support level. Now, if you look at the Cypher B chart, let's do a little bit deeper dive into XEN. And what we're going to have is the volume is up. The cash flow is actually down. Right here, this buy long signal has been confirmed. And momentum is on an uptrend. So it's actually on a very slight uptrend. Nothing to be excited about. and the RSI is even moving in a northward direction, almost into the neutral territory for being oversold, which is actually good news in my opinion. Let me make this guy, my head so big you can't see it. So you can see right there that it's moving in a northward direction. That is actually good news there. But it's nothing to be too excited about. I'm more concerned that it just holds at this support level, guys. I don't want it to go any lower. All right, if you're looking with Ichimoku, if you guys remember, this predicts out into the future. So we have it on a 4-hour chart. So it goes 4 days into the future for based on previous indicators, and it's predicting for Zen to be bearish and continue a bearish trend. We'll jump over to the next chart. Now we're going to take a look at with Zen with the exponential moving average, and we are definitely in bearish territory with Zen. Now I'm going to give you guys a gift. Let's jump down to the 2-hour chart. And what does the 2-hour chart say? Okay, the 2-hour chart is showing slight, it's still bearish, but it's definitely showing bullish tendencies. It looks like it's right in the middle of the bands. So hopefully we'll see that float roll over into the 4-hour chart, and then we'll start getting a little excited. But until then, because the 2-hour chart is really good for traders. It could change very quickly. All right, guys. So let's go. We're gonna roll right into HEX today, guys. HEX. It has oh my word, on a 4-hour chart, HEX has a blood diamond and a sell signal. This is like a death cross if it was on the moving averages, guys. So with that said, the Cypher A chart is predicting a definite pullback from HEX, which has already begun, as you can see right here. If we look down here at the Cypher B chart, the volume is down, the cash flow is down. We have a sell signal right here, and we're at the beginning of a band. So we're going to have to ride this out. I don't know how long it's going to be, but it's at the very beginning with a blood diamond. HEX is definitely going to pull back on us, guys. So for all you Hexicans out there, to stay vigilant, stay strong, hodl the line. All right, RSI for HEX is, go figure, it's moved into the oversold side of things. All right, let's jump over to HEX with the next chart. Let me get another drink here. All right, HEX with exponential moving average on a 4-hour chart. HEX is definitely on a bearish trend. We're bearish. It's dropped through the bands. It did actually come up to the top. Didn't get any real support up there, and we're bearish again, guys, for HEX. And Ichimoku, ironically enough, even though the Cypher chart is showing a definite pullback on HEX, and exponential is bearish, the Ichimoku chart is actually predicting HEX to go bullish the next 4 days. So it's going to be kind of interesting to see which indicator wins. You know what I mean? May the best indicator wins. All right. Now, down here in the fear and greed indicator, we're actually in the greedy side of things slightly for HEX. So I do find that quite interesting. The volume is quite low. It was up a little bit ago on what date is this? December 1st. Definitely the volume was up for HEX. All right, and on the last HEX chart, I did this for fun, just for perspective for you new Hexicans out there, or you guys that want to pick up some cheap HEX. The Fibonacci retracement with 100% starting up at the bottom, the magic sweet spot, 61.8. So if you would want to pick up HEX at a good price, according to the Fibonacci retracement, it would be at 0.0269. All right. So remember that. You never want to buy it when it's up. You want to buy things when it's down. It's basic, right? Now we'll take a quick look at the MACD for HEX. Now you got to remember, MACD lags behind the market, and the MACD actually has HEX as being bullish right now. I mean bearish. Oops, I messed up. Bearish right now. So yeah, HEX is definitely going to do a pullback. I don't think Ichimoku is going to quite get this one right, but we'll see. All right. All right, now jumping forward to Hedron, for you Hedron fans out there. I took it's a downward angled wedge right now, basically. And it's just bouncing around inside. I just want to see if we go north or if we go south. There's going to be a lot of people that do very well with Hedron whenever everything comes into fruition with Pulse Chain and all. But I don't know. I just don't have the balls. No balls. I don't know. I should be buying more, and I haven't been. So thirsty. Pray for me, people. Make sure my family don't get me sick, please. All right. Yeah, I already know it's the flu. I'm not worried about it. All right. So right here, you can also see right here. This is the what is this? The volume profiler. I forgot it's the volume profiler basically indicator here that's drawn. And this actually draws this out, these lines out in accordance to how much of the history is shown. And right now, it looks like the upper resistance point will definitely be right here where you can see all this volume coming out at a lot of zeros and 3813. And then down here, we have a support level, a strong support level of, actually, that's not a very strong support level in my opinion. I question that now. I don't consider that a strong support level there. A strong support level would actually, with the volume, would be right here, or at least right here. Well, you know what? This is actually a strong support level. Incorrect. That's a strong support level right there. So we're just going to keep bouncing around there. We have to see what happens. But like I said, I want to see if we break through the top here, which will be a bullish tendency. If we break through the bottom, it's definitely bearish. And all right, now hedge run with the market cipher chart for your hedge run fanatics and ICOSA staking cats. All right, so here we go. Well, actually, ICOSA is a prize. What is it? It's the reward, but anyway, you know what it is. All right, so change for previous trend signal, bullish continuation, long signal, bullish continuation, bearish continuation, and then a sell signal fired off on December 5th today. And that's on a Cipher A chart. Now on a Cipher B chart, you had a long signal right here, rolled around, and we're right at a bearish signal right here. So we're about to start into a bearish wave. Momentum is going down. Volume is down. Cash flow is down. RSI has just peaked under the oversold portion. So yeah, it looks like Hedgeron's going to do a little bit of a pullback. And our trusty Ichimoku chart is predicting Hedron to be bearish with a little bit of bullishness, but I see more bearishness than bullishness right now. And a fear and greed indicator actually sees Hedron as being more greedy than fearful. All right, moving forward, guys. Moving forward right into the crypto markets today. FTX fallout hits Maple Finance. Bitcoin declines. All right, blockchain-based lending platform Maple Finance severed ties with crypto firm Ontology Trading, alleging it was misrepresenting its financial position. The move is yet more fallout from the implosion of FTX crypto exchange. This article appeared on Crypto Market Today, CoinDesk Daily newsletter, driving to what happened in today's market, blah, blah, blah. So long story short, FTX's, there's still blood in the sea being created, and Bitcoin was in a move in the upward, in the bullish direction, and it's actually pulled it back a little bit. Nothing significantly, as you can see while I'm talking to you, is at $16,993, but it did pull it back. Now we'll do a deeper dive into this. We're going to start here. On December 4th, we had a lot of bullish continuations, and then one bearish continuation on December 5th, and then we had a short signal fire off here on the Cipher A chart. The Cipher B chart, we have a bearish, right? We just went bearish right here. It was bullish, was a nice ride while it lasted, bearish, and now we're going through a bearish band. The cash flow is actually decent in the market for this, but the volume is definitely down, and the momentum is on a downward trend. The RSI is neutral right now. Where do I stand with Bitcoin? I think that the bottom is in, or if it's not, it may not be perfect. You may see it drop down to as low as, it might even drop down to 12.5. It's possible. But yeah, remember, it came all the way down here from, what was the all-time high, like 68 or something, 60? Anyway, it was way up there, so it's okay. You know what I mean? I'm a dollar cost average and take full advantage of it. I'm just going to start putting it on buys, very controlled buys, dollar cost average. I'm put limit orders in. Let's see, right here. Yeah, the RSI is neutral, so that's where that is. Now, Bitcoin with exponential moving average on a 4-hour chart, it is showing Bitcoin as being, it's trying to stay bullish, but it's slipped into bearish territory, basically. The daily chart has it still bearish, so that was good to check. 2-hour chart has it completely bearish. So that's where we stand, guys. Now, Bitcoin with Ichimoku, we've been bouncing in between these two bands, in between these two ranges here, which I did find very interesting. And we've been here since when? Like November 9th. So, I mean, the bottom really may be in, guys. As you can see, that's the best example right there. Since November 9th, we've just been bouncing this range, and that is between $15,525 and roughly, what, $17,134, give or take. Now, Ichimoku was actually predicting Bitcoin to be bullish, so we'll have to keep an eye. Maybe it will be bullish. You never know. All these news articles keep coming out because of FTX. Pretty damn annoying. Thanks, Sam Bankman-Fried and Caroline. But anyway, guys, yeah, you see the volume's red right now, so it's definitely in the middle of a pullback for Bitcoin. Fear and greed, it is going fearful. There it is. It was greedy. It just went fearful. So, yeah, so be it. All right, now jumping forward from there. 1 second. All right, Bitcoin here. This is what the volume profiler chart and the what is this? The this the 20, the 50, the 100, and the 200-day moving average. So first things first, the 20-day moving average is the purple. You can see it coming around here, and it's looking quite healthy. The 50-day moving average is the green, which is moving in a good direction, and so is 100-day, which is the orange. Now, the 200-day moving average is a straight downward angle here. That's a very good thing, guys. We would like to see everything cross over that 200-day moving average, starting with the 20-day. It looks like it's going to be. Now, with the volume profiler here, it has a strong support line drawn for Bitcoin at the grand amount of 16,519. So basically what this is telling me is the volume is at its high point here, and that's when it should hold. If that does not hold, expect it to do a significant drop down to at least 16,178. All right. Now, taking a look into, so basically, is the bottom end? Nobody knows. But if you look at this range here, this range that I showed you, where is it, the Ichimoku range, that's a long time to be bouncing around this tight range, and it's trying to go northward. So I think the bottom is in, guys, personally. But who knows? I don't have a crystal ball. I have a microphone, but I don't have a crystal ball, though. All right, so let's take a look at Ethereum real quick here. The Ethereum chart today, today, bearish continuation and a short signal, so it's saying it's a good time to short. This short signal, sell signal was confirmed today, and look at this. We're starting on a downward trend. Momentum's down, cash flows going downward, volume is definitely down, and RSI is on the oversold side of things for Ethereum. So, the market's in a little bit of pullback, but like I said, it's a perfect time to put limit orders in and start dollar cost averaging. I think I was going to go aggressive with Bitcoin, but I think I am going to go with Ethereum, because I think Ethereum's absolutely going to explode. I could see a $20,000 Ethereum this next bull run. I really do. But who knows? Nobody can see the future. All right, so next one up is MATIC. MATIC is another one I'm really putting a big bet on this next bull run. I do have issues with MATIC because there are guide keys, master keys, but I don't know. I think Ethereum is unaffordable, so people are going to have to go somewhere. And I am a big Hexakin fan, Paul's Chain fan. It's going to have its place, but I think the masses are, a lot of people are going to go with MATIC, and it's a no-brainer to them. It's a no-brainer to me, honestly, except for the guide key thing. Basically, what is a guide key? It gives them a backdoor to rewrite these smart contracts, which is not cool. All right. But MATIC has a, oh, wow, I missed this. MATIC actually has a blood diamond, so it's definitely doing a pullback on a Cypher A chart. Got a sell signal here. We're starting, the volume's down. So MATIC's definitely in the middle of a pullback, just like everything else. Momentum is pulling back. RSI is moved into the oversold side of things. So that's where MATIC stands. All right, guys. Now, last but not least, the project that I'm currently most excited about, it's too bright, I got to kill the light for this, is MetalPay. Now, remember, MetalPay is part of the Proton blockchain ecosystem is the way I want to refer to it. Now, it's been created by, I'm going to say the name of the company wrong, but forgive me, but Metallicus. And yeah, I'm so excited about this project. This project is going to be my replacement for Voyager app because I really like that app, but I haven't really found a good replacement until I found this MetalPay. I absolutely love it. By the way, I am not affiliated with this. I don't get anything about this. I just like the project that much, and I'm going to be doing a collaboration later this week with my nephew, so he can go. Oh, I got a ton of questions, and he can answer each and every one of them. But briefly, MetalPay is the easiest way to buy, sell, and trade crypto. So earn, send, use MetalPay to buy and sell 65 different cryptocurrencies. MetalPay is the best way to send money. Paying your friend is fun and instant. Sending money costs nothing. Pay anyone, anytime for free. All right. Oh, let me get a quick drink, guys. Make money better. We've completely rethought the payment experience by making it simple, fun, free, and rewarding. I'm telling you guys, this is so user friendly. Pay people how you want through MetalPay. Pay instantly using cash balance, linked bank account, or by sending cryptocurrency. Now, what is so cool about this? When it says the cash portion is FDIC insured because they have a licensed bank. FDIC insured. It's awesome. So I've already created it. I deposited my money in it. It didn't take very long at all, and it's very user friendly and very freaking cool. That's all I got to say. Like right now, I have dry powder sitting as US dollars on Coinbase Pro right now. That if Coinbase Pro was to pull a FTX, I'd kind of be screwed. You know what I mean? Whereas with MetalPay, my money is sitting in the bank, FDIC insured. That means if your money's sitting in a U.S. bank, it's federally insured money in the U.S. But what can I do with MetalPay? MetalPay is made for everyday use. Pay friends, deposit pay slips, buy and sell crypto. Discover and learn about trends in crypto. Through the marketplace, you can buy and sell over 50 cryptocurrencies directly from your FDIC insured cash balance in the other partner bank. Now, I mean, this is absolutely huge. We're currently available in these states with the rest to follow on. Check back to find out when we launch in your state, United States. So basically, it's everywhere, but it looks like just a few of them they're not in. But yeah, it's like so awesome, guys. Like I said, I'm gonna go deeper into this, but I said Proton is a very large ecosystem, so they have a lot of different things going on. This one, I just wanted to cover this. Now, one thing I did learn with MetalPay, because Proton has they have Metallicus create a separate wallet, which I think is called Web Authority or whatever, which I'll go over in a different video. But this is just view this as your bank and a federally insured, FDIC insured bank account attached to your exchange. Now, your crypto, once you purchase it, is not insured. Don't get me wrong, but it's still a very powerful notion, and it was very user friendly and it was very quick to set up. With the initial deposit and everything, it only took like 24 hours. But yeah. But that's it for this video. As you can tell, I'm really excited about Proton. But please remember to subscribe, hit that like button, leave comments. At the least, smash that like button right now for me. All right, guys. And until next time, stay blessed and stay happy. Peace out.